All right, guys, now we're on 113A. So the first thing is our name line segment. So I'm going to check it. It says 9 centimeters. So as always, I grab my ruler, line it up. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in just on this front part here. Line it up. 9 centimeters. I need to stop at what? The 9. Go ahead and draw your line. Stop at the 9. Then it wants me to measure my date line also in centimeters. So I'm going to line it up. How many centimeters did you get? 5 centimeters. Good job. So I'm going to write my name. Then I'm going to write the date. All right. Now it says, number 1, the children in Mrs. Affinito's class chose their favorite fruits. 8 children chose bananas, 15 children chose oranges, and 7 children chose apples. Color the graph to show how many children chose each type of fruit. So this is going back to your pennies mints that you just did. Remember, you grabbed a handful of pennies and you did a bar graph by coloring in. So now you're going to go ahead and do that for this. So first, let's go to our first one. It says 8 children chose bananas. So I see my 8 right here. I'm going to go up. I'm actually going to color backwards from 8. Eight bananas. All right, next it says 15 children chose oranges. So I'm going to go 15. Wait, I don't have a 15. So 15 falls right between 14 and 16. So I'm going to go halfway between and then color to oranges. All right, next is apples. Now it says 7 children chose apples. So I have 6 and 8, but no 7. So I have to, again, stop halfway between because that's where 7 would be. And color in to apples. So now it says write 2 facts about this graph. So, what can I deduce from looking at this graph? Would you agree with me that more children liked oranges than any other fruit? Yeah, because look at my oranges. I have so many children. So that would be a sentence about this graph. More children liked, or we should say chose, oranges. Period. What's another fact I could do this? Maybe about the least. Go ahead and tell your sibling, mom or dad, whoever's next to you, which one of these fruits did the children like the least? Yeah, apples. So I'm going to say the children liked apples the least. Period. All right, let's move on to number 2. About how much might the lunchbox of a child in your classroom weigh? Ooh, we went over this before. So this one's just talking about pounds. Remember when we weigh things, especially bigger things, we weigh with pounds. So let's look. 200 pounds. That's like a full-grown adult man. Would that be the size of a lunch pail? No. Let's go over here. 40 pounds. That's about how much a dog weighs. Would that be a lunch pail? No. 100 pounds. That's like how much your mom would weigh. Is that a lunch pail? No. 4 pounds. Is that how much a lunch pail might weigh? Yes, it would. All right, number 3, measure each side. So it tells you which side it wants you to measure. So the first one, it says, how long is this vertical line segment? So everyone show me. Vertical, right? Vertical is tall, tall. So I know that this one going straight up is tall. And it wants me to measure it in centimeters. So I'm going to line up my centimeters ruler. Line it up. How much did you guys get? Yeah, 3 centimeters. Good job. All right, now I'm going to write that on my vertical right here. Next it says, how long is the oblique line segment? Everyone go, oblique. Which way is oblique? Diagonal. Good job. So I'm going to go ahead and line up my diagonal lines. I got 5 centimeters. And then next it says horizontal. Everyone do it. Horizontal. Which way is horizontal? This way. So go ahead and line it up. 4 centimeters. All right, now it wants me to figure out the perimeter. So I'm going to add up. I'll do my first one I wrote. 3 centimeters plus 5 centimeters plus 4 centimeters equals, let's do, what is 4 plus 5? 9, and 9 plus 3? 12, so 12 centimeters. All right, thumbs up if you're doing awesome so far, guys. All right, number 4. It is dark outside. Ooh, what do I automatically know? Is that AM or PM? Shout it out. PM, good job. All right, so it is dark outside. Let's go ahead and check our clock. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. All right, on our clock, I always check my hour hand. I hook back to the hour before. So what is my hour? What did I hook? 11. Now let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. Then it's 2 past. Let's go 20, 21, 22, 11, 22 p.m. Now, let's go ahead and go to the next one. So it says, number 5, write the correct comparison symbol. Greater than, less than, or equal to. So let's look at 35 and 53. How could we compare those? Is 35 greater than 53, less than 53, or equal to 53? What do you guys think? Yeah, less than, right? My alligator always loves to eat that bigger number. All right, let's go ahead and look at the next one. I have to finish this problem out. 8 plus 37. So I know 7 plus 8 is what? 15. So I need to bring down my 5, carry my 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then what is 9 times 5? Let's count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Wait a second, are those the same numbers? Yeah, so I'm going to put a equal sign in the middle. All right, let's go ahead and look at the next one. 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7. So I already can tell when I look at this. Does 6 plus 1 equal 7? It does, so I automatically know that this is a 9 fact. So 16 minus 7 is 9. Now let's try over here. 14 minus 6, 4 plus 1 is not 6, so that is not a 9 fact. So let's go ahead and figure that out. If 6 plus 6 is 12, and it's 14, 2 more is 8, right? 7, 8. So 14 minus 6 is 8. All right, let's go ahead and look at our bottom numbers here. Let's line them up. Do my tricky lines. Tricky lines. All right, go ahead and start working on these by yourself. Pause the video, finish them by yourself, and then check your answers in just a moment. All right, go ahead and welcome back, guys. I hope that you finished and paused and did these by yourself. Let's go ahead and check them. So 9 plus 7, my 9 fact, right, is that this is 1 less, so this is going to be 16. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14, 146. Now this one, I have a minus sign. Can I subtract 8 things from 4? Nope. So I need to cross out my 7, turn it into a 6, turn my 4 plus 10 is 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. Good job, right? We just did that right here. 6 minus 2 is 4. 46. And then my last one, I have my hundreds, tens, and ones. I always start with my what, guys? 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 4 plus 2 is, plus 1 more is 7. 4 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. Awesome job, guys. All right, go ahead and finish side B of all of these papers of these videos and turn them in. And have an excellent weekend. Relax, take it easy, do some fun stuff, and I will see you again on Monday. See you later.